Lower back pain is one of the most common issues people face, whether it's from sitting too long, lifting incorrectly, or an old injury that never fully healed. The good news is, with the right approach, you can build a recovery blueprint that restores strength, mobility, and confidence in your movement. The first step in any recovery plan is understanding the cause. Lower back pain can come from muscle strain, disc irritation, poor posture, or weak core muscles. Identifying the root issue helps guide your recovery, because treating symptoms without addressing the cause often leads to recurring pain. Step 1. Reduce pain and inflammation. In the early phase, focus on gentle movement and active rest. Avoid complete bed rest. Gentle walking, light stretching, or pelvic tilts can help relieve stiffness and improve blood flow. Applying heat can relax tight muscles, while ice can reduce acute inflammation after activity. Step 2. Rebuild mobility. Once pain starts to ease, the goal is to restore movement in the spine and hips. Try gentle mobility drills like cat-cow stretches, knee-to-chest movements, or hip openers. These help reduce stiffness and re-establish a healthy range of motion. Step 3. Strengthen your core and glutes. Your core acts like a natural brace for your spine. Strengthening it provides stability and protection for your lower back. Focus on exercises like bridges, bird dogs, planks, and dead bugs. These strengthen the deep stabilizing muscles without putting stress on the spine. Step 4. Correct posture and movement patterns. Poor posture, especially from long periods of sitting, is one of the biggest contributors to lower back pain. Practice neutral spine alignment throughout the day, whether you're standing, sitting, or lifting. Small adjustments make a huge difference over time. Step 5. Gradually reintroduce strength training. Once your core and mobility are solid, start integrating controlled resistance exercises like bodyweight squats, lunges, and hip hinges. Focus on proper form and breathing. Exhale as you lift or exert force to stabilize your core. Step 6. Maintain flexibility. Stretch the hip flexors, hamstrings, and glutes regularly. These areas often tighten up and pull on the lower back. Gentle yoga or dynamic stretching can help keep your muscles balanced and supple. Step 7. Build consistency and patience. Recovery takes time. Doing a few exercises here and there won't be enough. It's the consistent, mindful effort that creates lasting change. Listen to your body and don't push through sharp pain. Finally, support your recovery with healthy habits. Stay hydrated, prioritize sleep, and manage stress. Tension and fatigue often show up first in your back. The lower back pain recovery blueprint is simple. Reduce pain, restore movement, strengthen stability, and move smart. With consistent effort, you can go from discomfort to confidence and from stiffness to freedom of movement, one step at a time.